Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn your Himalayan pink salt into a powder and to the texture, this type of texture that you can use to cook and for your cosmetic formulation. If you have this type of quartz salt, you already know, like when you want to do cosmetic formulation, it's very hard to use. So how do you use this very excellent mineral filled salt? So all you need is you need the tools. I have a link in the description box a box below for where you can get your own. So I'm going to use mortar and pestle quickly. I don't have a grinder right now, so I'm going to use this for this purpose. So you throw your salt in. What you want to do is put a little salt at a time, not too much. So if you want to get faster results, you put little salt in your mortar and just grind it away. It takes quite a while, so I'm going to pause this video in between, so just grind it. And if you have a grinder, perhaps you want to reduce the service for you, use a grinder so you don't break your spice grinder. So that's two ways you can do it. You can grind it a little bit here and pour into your spice grinder. But if you don't have a spice grinder, you're going to do it the way I do it. So just take your time and make sure you use your powder and mortar and pestle to reduce the surface volume. As you can see, it's going to take quite some time to be able to get this into a powder form, except if you have small amount inside your mortar. So what you're going to do then is I want to stop here because I don't have much time. So this is after grinding it for around 3 to 2 minutes. Okay, if you have a spice grinder, at this point just pour into your spice grinder. But if you don't want to grind it further at this point, you can also use you can also shift it out. Okay, so pour it here and just get the powder. Okay, and I think that is enough for your formulation. When you are using this for formulation, because it's salt, we don't use it more than 2%. Okay, less is even better if you don't want a thick mess. Okay, so basically just sheave it. Okay, and you are good to go. So what you are left with right here is very good salt for your cosmetic formulation. This is a very powerful salt that is filled with minerals. Okay, very good for the face, and it's also very good for cooking. So if you want to cook, this is a good substitute for your regular table salt. Okay, this has more minerals, so especially when you're on a diet or you want to enjoy its health benefits, you can also use this in your cooking. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to show you how to use this to make a very rich facial gel. So we're going to make pink Himalayan salt facial gel, and I think you will enjoy it. So in my next video we are going to make this, turn this into a very rich facial gel. Thanks for joining me. And if you want to get this, I got this at Pure Blend Natural at a very good price. The price at Pure Blend Natural is cheaper than Amazon or other online supplier. Thank you for joining me.